धातु प्रथम पुरुष अपठत् अपठताम् अपठन् शुच् धातु प्रथम पुरुष अशोचत् अशोचत् अशोचताम् अशोचन्.
So here I want to point out something to you, which you will probably have noticed. The shuch, dhatu is shuch, but the verb even in the lat lakara becomes shochati.
Correct.
You observe the ukara, the u becoming a gudavarna. The gudavarna of ukara is an okara, right? I want you to observe it, yeah, right? And similar things happen with the lat lakar also. The lang lakar also, it becomes ashochat, ashochatam, ashochan. Right? You see the change of the shoe into the show.
Who becomes okara? Okay.
Yes. So you have, like buddha, the buddha dhatu to know becomes bodhati.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? So you have these things happen. Okay? Good. Let's go further. Yes, please continue. Now you are go by the same pattern.
Yes, sir. Nam dhatu madhyama purusha. So it is anamaha. So is it anamatam and anamata?
Very nice. Uttamam. So what we do is, I mean, for quick, for your benefit, let me
The grid.
Yeah, I want to write the grid.
Yeah.
So what happens is then you know.
Sure.
Okay. So then we start with apatat, right? Apatatam, apathan, apataha, apatatam, apatat, apatham, apathav, apathama. Good. See, what I wanted you to observe was the Pita Halanta here. Right? Good. Then you have a visarga coming at the Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, right? The Nakara coming at the Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam, right? And in this portion, you had the Tam, Tam, Ta. To observe Tam, Tam, Ta.
Yes.
Right? As a matter of fact, Panini gives the sutram is, which gives this is thus, ha, with palm, tam, tam, tamaha. So you see the tam, tam, ta. Of course, there's something else also here. There's an as well, right? You see the thus is taha, thus is taha, tha is tha, right? And you have nip. You're able to see nip, right? So forget this for the moment, right? Even this works. You see, where the patattaha was there, it is a patattam. Direct correspondence. Are you able to observe? Taha gives rise to tam. Thaha gives rise to tam. I'm referring to lat lakara.
Okay.
Tha gives rise to ta, only ta. Right? Nip gives rise to Are you able to see? At least these four you will immediately know now. Tam, tam, ta.
Yeah.
Here you see visarga missing.
Yes.
In lat lakara, you have got pathavah, pathamah. Right?
Right.
Okay. One more thing you notice. What do you notice? That is there an everywhere?
Yeah.
There's an everywhere. You see that? And
Yes.
this lakara is lung.
Yeah.
Right? So how did he bring this you know? He said all lakaras with the ng will get an
Okay.
Very simple. See, lung, right? You have got lung lakara. You have got lung lakara. All will have this additional coming. Right? Of course, you don't know lung, and we are going to study. We are going to study lung later. Lung we are not going to study, but there also you get this because all these are having ng,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And he said that this is lang lung rung shu at udattah. Udattah. It's an udattah, right? It's supposed to be an udattah, not an anudattah. I don't know. So you know, you're supposed to pronounce it prominently. So you say
Okay.
apathat, apathat. So you got to get that out, right?
Okay.
Right, good. So you have got, this is your grid for your this is your grid for your this thing.
Yeah.
And then you have labhat, right? See here, no halanta, right?
Yes.
Labhetam, labhant. See the coming everywhere, right? Labhatha, labhe tham. You remember it was labhete and labhete in the lat lakara, right? Labadvam, labhe, labhavahi, right? And labhamahi. Good,
Yes.
fine. With this background, let's go further. Yes, continue.
So next is vad
Vad.
dhatu.
Hmm.
So it is avadava. So it is avadam, avadava, avadama.
Very nice. See, you know that formula clicks very quickly.
That
You know.
works. Yeah. Yeah.
Next.
And the advantage is that there is this makara, bakara, and makara ending is also
Very clear.
in some form or other. It is there everywhere.
Agree. Everywhere it comes. You know, as a matter of fact, Panini only gives the thing pratyaya. He says everything is thing, right?
Okay.
So what is thing? I'll give you thing also. What is thing? So you see carefully, now. Tip. Touch.
Yeah. I think we have mentioned it earlier. Correct. Yes.
Sip. Thus. The. Mip. Was. You observe that the sakaras are all converting into the visarga. You have got patati, patataha, See the sa, visarga, patatha. The end antya sakara changes into a visarga. Was, vaha, mas, maha. Only thing here you have a little bit of a problem. Only thing here you have a little problem, but everything else seems to be fitting.
True.
Right?
And in the Latlakara we do have Patavaha Patamaha also. It's not,
Exactly.
not everywhere.
So what he did was he said convert tas to convert tas to tam, thus to tham, tha to ta, mip to See how simple he converted lat lakara into lang lakara by only this much. So easily he managed to do it.
Right.
Then for the sake of completion, tam. Now this is your Atmanepadi. This was Parasmapadi. Tam atam ja. Right? Tam atam ja. Then we have say atham. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Not say. It's thas. Thas atham dvam. Right? E id it wahin mahin. You see, it starts with T, ends with na. So these
That's the thing.
are all the things, right? Correct?
Okay.
I don't want to get into how this converts into labate, labhete, labande, but it's very simple. It's nothing very complicated. I just don't want to do it because I don't want to confuse you. But then it's very simple. At least here you are able to see clearly pathati, patataha. Then he says convert ja to anta. Doesn't it become patanti?
Yes.
If you convert ja to ant, then you have to add one e here, no? So patanti, patasi, patataha, patata, patami, patavah, patamaha. See how easily it fits, right? Right? Then what he says, interestingly, for converting it to lang lakara, he says remove the ikara, the last ikara you remove. So what will happen to patati? What will happen to patati? Apathat. Why is Rakesh ji calling me?
Oh, he's not there on the call, I think.
Hello? नहीं, हम तो हैं. आपका डिवाइस रीसेट करिए ना. नहीं आ रहे आप? मैं नोटिस नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरा बोर्ड चालू था ना. Oh, you're not in the call. फिर एक बार आप डिवाइस रीसेट करिए ना. डिवाइस को रीसेट करिए. हाँ. For just a couple of minutes and see.
Sure.
Because it seems probably there was some issue with this thing only, the server only then.
Okay.
Rakesh, please try again. Hello. Rakesh, please try again to join. राकेश जी फिर वापस ट्राई करिए ज्वाइन करने का. Okay, I think we'll continue.
Yeah.
Yes. So where was
Char.
I? Yes.
Char.
Yes. So
Char dhatu.
yes, let's continue. Yes. Now you got this
Great.
background. Now yes, continue. Yes. Char dhatu.
Char dhatu madhyama purusha. So it should be acharaha, acharatam, acharata.
Very nice.
Then stha dhatu.
See the stha.
Yeah, pratama
Can you
purusha.
do this? Yeah. Namo Namaha.
Tishta.
Rakesh.
Namo
You're back.
Namah.
Very nice. Come. You're back. Okay. Yes. Please continue.
Stha dhatu. Pratama purusha. So pratama purusha means atishtat.
Very nice.
Atishtatam. Atishtan.
Very nice.
Then huru dhatu.
Hmm.
Madhyama purusha. So aharaha. Is it aharatam?
Exactly same. Harati, you know,
Okay.
it's the Ru dhatu was exactly the same way. It's a Vadigana dhatu. So Harati, Haratah, Haranti, same
So
thing.
aharata, aharatam, aharata.
Very nice. Now you
Nya,
come to a different Gana dhatu. See,
nya dhatu. Nya.
that's what I told you. They are not there. That's not fair,
Correct.
right? So here you come to the Nya dhatu, which is
Yeah,
a
but I will
Kriyadigana, which
follow
is
the.
a ninth Gana dhatu. Kriyadigana dhatu. So you
I'm
have.
asking for Uttama Purusha.
Yes, I'll give you. So Ajanam.
Ajanam, ajanava, ajanama.
No, Ajaniva.
Okay.
You 1 minute. Let me give you all the forms. Just give you a moment. Right? So you have Ajanat. This is a Kriyadi Gana Dhatu, ninth Gana Dhatu. Right? Just for the sake of completion. Ajanitam. See, more or less same, huh? Not very different. Some sort of similarity is there. Ajanan, right? Ajanaha. Now, what do you think this could be? Tell me. You can guess this. Ajani.
Tam.
Very nice. Ajani.
Janita.
Ajanam. Ajaniva. Ajanima.
Okay, sir.
Good. Kriyadi
Okay,
Gana
sir.
Dhatu.
Right.
Yes, Rakesh ji, आगे चलिए. Let's see.
Apashyam.
No. Apashyam. No. Agam. Agam. Agam.
Agam.
प्रथम पुरुष.
Agayam.
No, it is a gachati. No, for let lakar.
Agachan. Baba. Agachati.
Agachat.
Agachat.
एकवचनम आगच्छत.
Agachan.
आगच्छताम. आगच्छताम. Agachan. This is easy. Correct. Agachat. Apathat. Apathatam. Apathan. So agachat. Agachatam. Agachan. Right. Good. Let's continue. Let's see. Pat. Pat dhatu. Very simple. Patati. Correct, not to fall. Patati.
Patati.
Patati is to fall. Lat lakara.
Hmm.
What is lat lakara? Tell me.
Patatan.
Apapat. Apatat. Apatat.
Apatat.
Apata. Oh, wait a minute. Madhyama Purusha, no? Sorry. Okay, continue this.
Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama. Yeah.
Fine. So, Prathama Purusha, tell me apatat. Apata.
Apatat.
Tam. No, apatat, apata, apatam. Apatatam. Apatan. Now, what is your Madhyama Purusha? Tell me. Yes, Rakesh ji.
Apashyam.
No, wait a minute. हमारा मध्यम पुरुष हुआ नहीं अभी तक.
अच्छा.
Yes, Kannan ji.
Sir, it should be apataha, apatatam, apatata.
Apatatam. Apatata.
Yeah.
Right? Just for the sake of completeness. Apatam. Apatam. Apatama.
Apatama. Yeah.
Good?
Good.
Yes. Yes, राकेश जी, आप पश्चिमी के जहाँ वहाँ आप खींचे जा रहे थे, बताइए ना.
Apashyam. Apashyatam.
No, this is Uttama Purusha, na? Ama. Apashyam.
Apashyam.
Apashyava.
Apashyava.
And apashyama. Correct, na? Ama. For Uttama Purusha, ama. Good. Let's try Brahmati. Brahm. Prathama Purusha.
Abrama.
No, Brahmat.
Abramat.
Brahma.
Tam.
Tam. Brahma.
No.
Brahman, वो तो दिया हुआ है ना. Abrahmat, Abrahmatam, Abrahman. Good. Yes. Smru dhatu.
Asmara.
Asmaraha.
Aswara. Aswaratam.
Very nice.
Avarasan.
Asmara.
Asmarat.
Tam. Tam. ये याद रखना है हमारे को. ताम तम त. This L. Good. Fine. Yes, the gai dhatu. You know, the gai dhatu gives us the verb gayati. Huh? The dhatu is gai. Dhatu is gai. Right? Interesting. No, the gai is the gayati. Right? You will wonder how this comes to gai comes to gaya. It's very simple, you know. It's gai plus the vikarana pratyaya a and t. Right? Have I taught you this sandhi? Where the I changes into I. You observe what is happening? I has changed into I. And you get the
Solution banate.
Gayati. Right? Yes, Kananji, can you please tell me? So You go from this form and tell me what it will be.
So it should be Uttama Purusha, no? Agayam,
Hmm.
Agayava, Agayama.
Wonderful, perfect. Agayam, agayava, agayama. Right?
Yes.
Okay. The prach dhatu. Let's see about prach dhatu. You want to try, Rakesh ji?
Prach.
The dhatu is prach. Prach.
Apracha.
No, prachat.
Aprachat.
Because this in lat lakara is prachati. Prachati is what? Puchna, to ask. See what change has taken place. The pra has become pr. You see the change? So aprachat.
Aprachatam.
Aprachatam.
Tam.
Aprachan. Correct? Good. Yes. Shru dhatu. You know shru to sunna. But what happens to the dhatu? The ru changes into the r. Shrunoti. Correct, no? You know, no? We have done in lat lakara. You know, no? That the r, the refer changes into the rukara. Right? So now Madhyama Purusha. Okay, now this could be tricky. Fine. Okay. Ashrunoho. Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam. Then what about this? Shru no tam. What is Bhavachanam? Tell me.
Ashronota.
It will be Shru no. Very nice. See, now you don't need anybody's help to come from tam to ta.
Yeah, but Noho, I didn't realize, sir. I
Exactly.
thought it is a Nuhu. Nuhu, I thought.
It is Ashrunoho. Okay. See, the Shru Dhatu is from the Bhadigana, from the first Gana only. But Acharya has given us some different way to handle the Shru.
Okay.
Right? So that we really don't have a choice. We have to follow his formula. Right?
Okay.
Okay, good. Next, the Kath Dhatu. So the lat lakara is what? Kathayati. It's a Churadi Gana Dhatu, 10th Gana Dhatu. So you get the aya. Right? Aya. You know this Kathayati, not Kathati. Right? Kathayati. So now what could be the lang lakara, Prathama Purusha? Akathayat. Sorry.
Akayatam.
Akathayatam. Very nice.
Akatayan. Akatayan.
Very nice. Akathayan. Next, Ramu. It's not fair. They are giving you all the Dhatu names, from the Dhatu Pata.
Yeah.
The Dhatu is Ramu. The actual Dhatu is like this. Ramu.
So this is Atmanepadi.
Yeah, that's Atmanepadi, which gives us the lat lakar form Ramate. Right? We popularly call it the Ram Dhatu. We don't talk of this and all that. We don't talk about it. The Ram Dhatu. Right. So yes. So what is what?
Aramathaha. Aramathaha.
Very nice. Ramathaha.
Aramadham.
Metham.
Aramadham.
Aramadhvam.
So it's like a lab dhatu it is following. Lab.
It's like a lab dhatu. Wonderful. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now let's check what happens. We have got the dhatu each. Right? Now, yes, if you remember, last time
Ish. Ish was there. Ish.
we did the
Ish.
ish dhatu, and
Ish.
we said what happens. We get I. That was a parasmaipadi dhatu. Here you have an
This
atmanipadi.
is
So
Ikshe. Ikshe.
let's do all the forms.
Okay.
Prathama Purusha, Aikshata,
Ikshata. So,
Aikshetam, right? Aikshetam, Aikshanta, Aikshathaha, Aikshetham, Aikshadvam. Right? Everywhere I, huh? Aikshe. Right? Aham Aikshe. Aikshavahi. Aikshamahi. Right? Got all your forms. Huh?
Yeah.
So the dhatus which start with E or E. See, ideally speaking, this should become A plus E, no? So this should become A,
yeah.
but that does not happen, and we get a vruddhi. Right? So what he says, Panini says, there is an art agama. He says there is an art agama.
Okay.
When he say art, he's trying to tell us that there is going to be a vruddhi. So the vruddhi varna of E and E becomes I, right? And the vruddhi varna of U and U will become Au, right? So let's say take the example of the dhatu U dhatu. The dhatu, means to guess. So you have lat lakara becoming uhate, right? Can you tell me what would be the lang lakara forms?
Uhe.
Uhata,
Okay.
auhetam, auhanta, auhathaha, auhetham, auhadvam, auhe, auhavahi, auhamahi. You observe this now? The U changing into the O. E changing into the I. So this is what peculiar to dhatus which begin with swara. Right? So there can be complications when dhatus begin with ru, for example. So we don't want to go there.
Okay.
Don't want to go there because we'll get it. Okay, fine. Let's go further. Sevda.
This is Atmanepadi.
Sevda.
Yeah. Sevate, Sevate.
Yes, but that is flat lakara, no?
Correct. Here it is Asevata, Asevat, Sevetam, Asevanta,
Seveta.
Asevanta. Yeah.
Asevanta.
Correct.
Give me a moment, huh? Can't say those. It makes sense. How correct? Shall we go to the next one now?
Yes.
We studied Iktavatu Pratyaya, we studied, which gives us, uh, Gatavan, correct?
Yes.
Gatavati. So, this was the way to do the lang lakara, to show the past tense, right? Then we studied lang lakara to do the past tense, which gave us words like agachat, correct, etc. Right? This was an adjective. This is a verb. Correct? Fine. Manini now
Yes.
gave us a very simple way to do to denote the past tense. Okay. Then you will tell me why did we study all this? He gave us a very simple method to say something in the past. So, for example, he goes. Saha gachati. Correct? Agreed, Rakeshji? Saha gachati. He goes. Correct? Now I want to say he went. Right? We studied the form Saha Gatavan. Correct, sir?
Gatwan.
Saha Agacha. This we studied. Correct? Good. And now he says, he gives one more way. You'll tell me ये सब आपने पहले ये सब क्यों किया? इधर इधर ही क्यों नहीं आ गए? सह गच्छति स्म. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? You use the lat lakara and sma past tense. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी भाषा में इतना आसान है. No language in the world will be so simple. Take lat lakara, add sma. Okay. So let's study. Let's read. Yes. राकेश जी पढ़िए.
एतत् सम्भाषणम् उच्चैः पठत् अवगच्छत च.
पठत 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 नहीं. Yes, go for it.
पितामही वत्स.
वत्स वत्स
वत्स अहम हा एका
यह
कथा.
यह यह
यः अहम यः एकां कथाम् अक्षणामयं स्मरसि किम्.
अश्रावयम.
अक्षरामयम्.
Okay, now let me before we continue, this verb ashravayam, right? So to hear is shrunoti, correct, na? To listen is to shrunoti. Lang lakara is what? Shrunot. Correct? Correct? Fine. To make somebody hear, see, listen carefully. To hear and to make someone else hear, right? So the dhatu is the kriya padam now is shravayati. Is this clear? to make somebody hear is Shravayati. So now Lang Lakara will become what? Shravayat. Correct, no? Agreed. Uttama Purush will become what? Shravayam. Agreed. Any questions? So what this grandmother is saying? Hey Vatsa, aham yaha ekam katham ashravayam. I made you listen to a story yesterday. Not I listened to story. I made you listen to a story. You understand what I'm saying? These are what are called as causal verbs. In English, we call it causal. That means you are not doing something, you are causing something to be done. Right? She is not listening. She is making that boy listen. Right? Good. And you find here the lang lakara of a causal verb. Good. Yes, continue. Rakesh, you continue.
Balakaha.
No. One more sentence is there. Ashravayam. Then again. There's one more small two words there, no?
Smarsikim.
Marasi Kim. Do you remember?
Hmm.
Vam. Marasi Kim.
Am
Yes,
Smrami.
Padati. Yes, please.
Balaka. Am Smrami. Pitamahi. Tarhi vad. Kaha kaha. Kim kim. Karoti sma.
So what she says? So Balakaha Smarati. Katham Smarati. Balakaha Katham Smarati. Pitamihi Mahi Kim Vadati. Tari Vada. Vada. What Lakara? Vada. Vada.
Lot, sir. Lot.
लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एक वचनम तरही त्वम वद कह कौन कौन क्या क्या कर रहा था कह किम किम करोति स्म. Now that karoti, because of that sma, now is to be shown as happened when in the past. Good, fine.
Yeah.
Yes, Rakesh ji, continue.
Balakaha. Sanjayah. Shravati sma.
Shravayati.
Shravayati sma. Dhritarashtrah. Shunoti sma. Arjunah. Dukkham. Anubhavati sma. Krishna. Bodhyati sma.
So Sanjayah ashravayat. Dhritarashtrah ashrunot. Arjunah dukkham anvabhavat. Okay, now this is we have yet to do when I told you something else. Right? I said anvabhavat. See what I did? Did you observe? Anu
Who became Bakara? Who became Bakara?
So what I did, I said unvabhavat. I did something strange, right? So we are going to study this in the next. We are going to start. We're going to start studying this. Wait a minute. Yes, we're going to study it in the next lesson. Okay, take it like this. See, I didn't say anubhavat.
Yeah.
Right? I didn't change this to I said anvabhavat. Right?
Yeah.
So we'll study why it happens like that. Okay. So just to tell you in Langdaka, Krishna abodhayat. Krishna abodhayat. So to say all this instead of using lang lakara, I am using lat lakara adding sma. Very simple. Yes, Kannan ji, aage बढ़िए.
So Krishnah bodhayati sma. Pitamhi. Samyak. Krishnah kim karoti sma. Balakah. Krishnah Pandavanam margadarshanam karoti sma. Sarveshu utsaham purayati sma. Ashwanam paricharanam karoti sma. Sarvan yuddhanitim bodhayati sma. Ratham chalayati sma. Arjunasya rakshanam kurute sma.
Oh, so you made it very simple.
Everything has become past.
Everything has become only with sma adding, right? Krishna
Hmm.
Pandavana margadarshanam akarot. Sarveshu, or another way, Krishna Pandavana margadarshanam kritavan. Yeah, I'm telling you all the things. Sarveshu utsaham apurayat. Right? Sarveshu utsaham puritavan. Ashwanam paricharanam akarot. Vakrutavan. Sarvan yuddhanitim abodhayat. Bodhitavan. Ratham achalayat. Ratham chalitavan. Arjunasya rakshanam akuruta. Akrutavan. See, kurute is an Atmanepadi dhatu. Right? So akuruta. Right? Good.
Okay.
So then now you have found easy way of doing. So kuch bhi nahi aata hai to finish.
Smart. Yeah.
Good. Right.
Yes.
Read further. Kananji, read further.
उपरितनं सम्भाषणं पठित्वा प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि लिखत. कः श्रावयति स्म? संजयः श्रावयति स्म. कः दुःखम् अनुभवति स्म? अर्जुनः दुःखम् अनुभवति स्म. कृष्णः सर्वेषु किं पूरयति स्म? उत्साहं. कृष्णः सर्वेषु उत्साहं पूरयति स्म. कः रथं चालयति स्म? कृष्णः रथं चालयति स्म. कृष्णः कस्य रक्षणं कुरुते स्म? कृष्णः अर्जुनस्य रक्षणं कुरुते स्म. कः कथां शृणोति स्म? कः कथां शृणोति स्म? बालकः कथां शृणोति स्म.
Right? But you know, to be very honest with you, I have not found anywhere this sma prayoga being used. This is available. This is available, right? Available, but at least anywhere in our shastras, in the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, or the Bhagavatam, or I have not found this usage it's not being used. This I'm not saying this is not available. This is available. This is perfectly correct. Given this option, right? But how this does not find application, right? Probably because chanda, it doesn't help. It might help in grammar, but when you are coming to rhyme, no, when you are coming to tune, somehow it doesn't help.
Okay.
So possibly, yeah, I think so. That could be one reason. Right? Let's go further. Yes, read further. Page number 86. Yes, Rajesh ji, padenge.
Yashodharanam.
Yashodha. Why Yashodha? Yeah, why Yashodha? Yathodharanam. Th. Yatha udaharanam. Yathodharanam.
Yashodharanam.
So why Shah? Mahoday, why Shah? Thakara.
Yatho. Yatho dharanam purtah vidyamanam atum patitva vakyani rachayat.
क्या दिखा वो क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं वो आप बता सकते हैं मेरे को? Let us see. Guess what they are asking us to do.
उदाहरण उदाहरण जैसे वैसा लिखो.
Correct. So now very simple. Add sma. Yes, you read the example. Udaharanam patatu.
अर्जुनः धनुर्विद्यान् जानाति स्म.
धनुर्विद्याम जानati स्म. You understand now? Very simple. लट लकार का क्रियापदम लिया, स्म जोड़ दिया. Yes, continue.
भीम बहु जानाति स्म.
Wait a minute. खाद
खादति स्म.
very nice. उत्तमम. दुर्योधनः
दुर्योधन ईर्ष्यां
ईर्ष्याम
क्रीडति स्म.
कृ धातु करोति स्म.
करोति.
Sma you have to add, right?
What is Irsham? Irsham.
Jealousy.
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 कृष्णः लीलां दर्शयति स्म.
Darshayati.
दर्शयति.
The darsha dhatu is a it is, there is nothing called the darsh dhatu, right? It's okay, at this level fine, but it is to drishpashya is to see, but darshayati means to make someone else see. Causal form.
यहाँ से पकड़.
It's causal form, right? Yes. Darshayati sma. Ustaha lilam darshayati sma. आगे.
भीष्मः कौरवाणां पश्यतः.
पक्षतः. Yes.
युद्धं स्म.
युध्यते स्म. युद्ध dhatu is atmanepadi dhatu, and from the fourth gana, so you got yudhyate, right? Like nrityati, you remember divadigana dhatu, nrit dhatu becomes nrityati, so yudh dhatu becomes yudhyate. Good. Yes, Kananji, आगे.
शकुनिः सर्वदा कूटं रचयति
Rachayati sma.
स्म.
The rach dhatu is a churadi gana dhatu, 10th gana dhatu. So you get that aya.
Yeah.
Rachayati sma. Very nice. Please.
कौरवाः पाण्डवान् न इच्छति.
No, so here you got Kauravaha, no?
Oh yeah.
You got Bhavachanam, no?
पाण्डवानाम् इच्छन्ति.
Pandavan.
पाण्डवान् न इच्छन्ति.
Sma.
Yeah. इच्छन्ति स्म. युधिष्ठिरः सत्यं
Brute sma.
ब्रूते स्म.
Braviti. Or Braviti. Braviti. If it's Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi becomes Brute.
Yeah.
Yes.
अर्जुनः
Now the Bhash dhatu is Atmanepadi.
भाषते
Yes. Bhashate sma.
स्म. Yeah.
The Lok dhatu also is Atmanepadi.
सैनिकाः लोके
Lokante.
Lokante. Okay, sir. Lokante sma.
Right? The lok dhatu is what, means to see.
Yeah.
The loka is what you are seeing is loka.
Right.
The word loka, no? Bhuloka. You are seeing is loka. So the lok dhatu is like pashyati.
Yeah. Look also is very similar to that. Look.
See how similar look. So look also has come from loka only.
Look. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Rakesh ji, padhiye aage.
Which number I was just gone? I had just gone.
10th one, yathodharanam
Ten, sir.
purayat.
Ten.
10th one.
Sa modate sma.
No. ये कहाँ मिल गया आपको? No. 10th,
Upar.
yathodharanam riktasthanani purayat. First, right from the beginning.
First one. Balak patati sma.
Balakah.
Balakah patati sma. Balakao patata sma. Balakah patanti sma.
See now, this is an exercise for all that you have done. So you must know ukaranta pullinga. You must know ikaranta pullinga. You must know ukaranta strilinga. Yes, please, try.
Shishu khelati sma.
Shishuhu khelati sma.
Khelti sma.
Now two children are playing. What is two children? What is two?
Shishu. No.
Two khelatah sma. What is Bahuvachanam?
Shishavaha.
Wonderful. Shishavaha khelanti sma. Yes, Rakesh ji, थोड़ा practice चाहिए.
Muni japti sma.
Munihi
Japti sma.
japati, not japti. See, I heard japti. This is wrong. Japati. Right, good, yes.
Muno japata sma.
No, why? Munihi japati sma. Muni
japata sma.
japataha sma. And Bahuvachanam? Munayaha, very nice.
Munaya japata sma.
Japanti sma. Yes. Let's try Vaduhu.
Samacharam patati sma. Vadhu.
What is the Dvivachanam of Vadhu? Vadhva.
Vadhva samacharam
patataha sma. Okay, what is the Bahuvachanam of Vadhu? Vadhvaha samacharam
patanti sma.
Very nice. Uttamam. Super, very nice. Very nice. Very happy. Rakesh ji, आप बहुत अच्छे बोल रहे हैं. Very nice. Yes, please.
Aham dhyayami sma.
Aham dhyayami sma. Yes. Avam
dhyayami sma.
No. Avam dhyayavaha. Dhyayavaha. And vayam
dhyayama sma.
Very nice. Yes. Karan ji, go proceed further.
So Bhavan becomes Bhavantav. Atati.
Very nice.
Atati.
Bhavan, bhavantau. And then what is the bhavan?
Bhavantau, bhavantah.
Very nice. Okay. Yes. Continue. Tell me bhavantau.
Atati, atatah.
Atanti.
Atatah, atanti. Yeah, sorry. It is Prathama Purusha, no? Prathama Purusha.
So, atati. Atati is to roam around. Either udhar jana.
Okay. So atanti it becomes sma.
Yes.
Sma. Okay. Yeshah patham smarati sma. Yeshah etau ete.
Very nice.
Then patham smarati smaratah smaranti.
Very nice. Etau patham smaratah sma.
Ma.
Ete patham smaranti sma.
Ete patham. Yeah. Ete patham
Smaranti sma.
smaranti sma. Yes.
Very nice.
Bhavati vishayam चिन्तयति स्म भवत्यौ विषयं चिन्तयति चिन्तयतः स्म भवति भवत्यौ भवत्यः विषयं चिन्तयन्ति स्म
Very nice.
सः सुखं लभते स्म तौ सुखं लभेते स्म ते सुखं लभन्ते स्म
Very nice.
सा मोदते स्म सा तेताः ते मोदते मोदेते स्म ते मोदेते स्म ताः मोदन्ते स्म अहं याचे स्म आवां या याचे याचावहे स्म then vayam yachamahe sma.
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Then we start the next chapter.
Yeah.
Kanan, you are practicing at home?
Little bit, sir, not much. नया नया आते से पुराना वो भूल जाते हैं. It's very complicated actually. आप कर रहे हैं?
स्टार्ट किया है थोड़ा, मतलब 15-20 मिनट, आधा घंटा.
Very nice.
But isn't it interesting?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's challenging rather. In fact, Sanskrit should have been taught from schools in the beginning.
Should have been, sir. It's a big mistake. Big mistake. Such a rich language.
Still they are not doing.
Still they are not doing. And even logic can get better, mathematical, analytical thinking also can get better. I don't know.
Oh, really? Hello. Yes. Yeah. So let's start with the next lesson. Yes, Kandanji, पढ़ेंगे आप? What is the name of the chapter?
क्रोध पिशाचः।
क्रोध पिशाचः. Yes.
एतां कथां पठत। एकदा श्रीकृष्णः बलरामः सात्यकिः च वनविहारार्थं गतवन्तः आसन्।
Okay.
एकदा once, is that once? Ekada is once?
No, let's read it first.
Okay, sir.
Let's do the reading first, and then what we'll do is
sir.
go through the whole thing again.
Okay. वने वने ते मार्गभ्रष्टाः जाताः। निबिडं वनं प्रविष्टवन्तः। रात्रिः सञ्जाता तैः रात्रिं यापयितुम् एकस्य वृक्षस्य अधः उपवेष्टव्यम् आपतितम्। रात्रौ रक्षणार्थम्
उपवेष्टव्यम् आपतितम्। Yes, continue. We are losing you. No, can't hear you. Yes. Yeah, please. Yeah, now it's fine. Yes, Kandanji, please.
Yeah. Yeah. So
रात्रौ
रक्षणार्थम् एकैकः अपि पर्यायरूपेण एकं प्रहरं यावत् जागरितः भवेत् तदा अन्याभ्यां द्वाभ्यां निद्रां कर्तुं शक्यते इति ते निश्चितवन्तः। प्रथमः पर्यायः सात्विकेः आसीत्। सः प्रहरी संस्थितः। यदा अन्यौ द्वौ निद्रां कृतवन्तौ तदा वृक्षतः एकः पिशाचः अवतीर्णवान्। सः सात्यकिं मल्लयुद्धार्थम् आहूतवान्। बहूनि कटुवचनानि उक्तवान् च। सात्यकिः तस्य कटुवचनानां कृते तादृशानि एव उत्तराणि दत्तवान्। यदा पिशाचः सात्यकेः शरीरे मुष्टिप्रहारं कृतवान् तदा सात्यकीः तदुपरि पादप्रहारं कृतवान्। पूर्णं प्रहरं यावत् तयोः मल्लयुद्धं प्राचलत्। तेन सात्यकेः शरीरे बहवः क्षताः सञ्जाताः। सः नितरां शान्तः। किन्तु तस्मिन् समये सहयोगिनोः उत्थापनस्य अपेक्षया निद्राकरणम् एव उचितम् इति विचिन्त्य सः निद्रां कृतवान्।
Yes, Rakesh ji,
द्वितीयः पर्यायः बलरामस्य आसीत्। तम् अशि पिशाचः पिशाचः मल्लयुद्धार्थम् आहूतवान्। कटुवचनैः निन्दितवान् च। मल्लयुद्धे महावीरेण बलरामेण अपि सा गतिः प्राप्ता।
सा एव सा एव
सा एव गति प्राप्ता शांत सः अपि प्रहरन्ते निद्रां कृतवान् तृतीय पर्याये कृष्णः
श्री कृष्ण
कृष्णः सुरक्षा निमित्तम् आगतवान् तम् अपि पिशाचः मल्लयुद्धार्थम् आहूतवान् कृष्णः हसन् एव युद्धं कर्तुम् आरब्धवान् उक्तवान् च भवान् बहु विनोदप्रियः इव भासते मम निद्रां
मम निद्रां
मम निद्रां
मम
आलस्य
निद्रां मम ने मम
मम मम निद्राम् आलस्यं च दूरीकर्तुमेव भवान् मित्रम् इव विनोदं कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्नस्ति सी केयरफुली रीड इट
कुर्वन्नति
कुर्वन्नस्ति
कुर्वन्नति इति
नहीं कुर्वन्नस्ति डबल न कुर्वन्न
कुर्वन्नस्ति तदा पिशाचस्य बलं न्यूनं जातं तस्य शरीरम् अपि संकुचितं गतं
कुचत गतम
संकुचितं गतं
नो संकुचत गतम
संकुचित गतम् अन्ते सः झिल्लिका ईश्वर लघु शरीरः जातः तदा कृष्णः स्वरस्य उत्तरस्य अच्छले बद्धवान्
अंचले बद्धवान
अच्छले बद्धवान्
बद्धवान बद्धवान
बद्धवान्
नो नॉट बद्धवान बद्धवान
बद्धवान् प्रातः यदा ते प्रस्थिता तदा सात्यकी बलरामः च पिशाचेन सह रात्रौ
पिशाचेन पिशाचेन
पिशाचेन सह रात्रौ सज्जातस्य मल्लयुद्धस्य वर्णनं कृतवन्तौ
वर्णनम वर्णनम
वर्णनं कृतवन्तौ तेन सज्जातान्
तेन
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 तेन सज्जातान् चित्तान् अपि
वाई शतान राकेश जी वाई संजातान संजातान क्षतान
सज्जातान् श्रुतवान्
क्षतान क्षतान
श्रुतान् अपि दर्शितवन्तौ
वेरी नाइस
श्रीकृष्ण हसन् पिशाचम् उत्तरस्य अचलतः
अंचलतः
अञ्चलतः निष्कासे करतले स्थापितवान् उक्तवान् च एषः अस्ति क्रोधपिशाचः एतस्य प्रकृतिः एषः अस्ति प्रत्युत्तरदानेन
दानेन प्रत्युत्तरदानेन
प्रत्युत्तरदानेन एषः वर्धते उग्रतां च प्राप्नोति किन्तु यदि उपेक्षां कुर्म तर्हि स स्वयमेव दुर्बलः भवति लघुरूपं प्राप्नोति इति क्रोधपिशाचे स्वरूपं तदा ज्ञातवन्तौ सात्विकं किबलं रामो
Balaramo. Very nice. Lot of things to be learnt in this. But you are getting a feel of the story, rough feel of the
Yes.
story.
Somewhat
You are able to make out what is being told. No. Okay, we'll do it in detail. A lot of things that we have learned, we are going to practice here. The Iktavatu Pratyaya, right? Lang Lakara, Vibhaktis. Some more Vibhaktis are there in it, which we have not studied, right? We have not studied. So we don't worry about it. We'll just learn the meanings and we are going to do those Vibhaktis later, right?
you can understand.
We understand it, but we don't go into the grammar until we do the Vibhaktis later in the next chapters, right? But all in all, many things that have already been studied are there, right? Words like Uktavan, Jagaritaha, Gatavantaha. We studied some words we have studied, right? Right? And a lot more to be done. Obviously, through these stories in this book, what they are doing is they are giving you some taste of what is going to come in future, right? Okay, let's stop here. Next class we start with this chapter in detail. Fine. Namo Namaha.
No.
For Kadanji, Shubhadinam for you. Package.
Sir, Shubhadinam to both of you.
Something.